Welcome to the progress of the decorative concrete serpent part 4. As you can see, I have finished carving one side with concrete, and if you've been watching, you kind of know what's going on. We went with this as a reference and then kind of put my own thoughts into it from there. Carved something intricate here. This was a lot of work, but it was fun. And got a lot of texture going on over here, and we're putting in a LED light. The teeth, if you were following, you've seen how hard those were. And we have the tongue being built as we speak. The tongue is actually housing an 1.5-inch conduit pipe, as you can see here, and that's going to allow for a gas line to be installed so we can get fire to shoot out the tongue at a later date. We're also going to have smoke shooting out of these two tubes here. So a lot of mechanics going on. We have the fog machine on the shelf right here. I already tested it last week with some test plumbing pipes, and it worked out pretty good. But to install, I'm going to bring you to this side. This is what I call the Terminator side. Going with a totally different look on this side. This is where we're at so far. These holes are going to stay open so that we can maintenance this thing in the future, but I have to decorate these holes to look like injuries. Not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but we will. And this is a shelf. I just got done pouring this about an hour ago. It's got some, let's see if we can go inside. It's got some rods and mesh underneath it all, and that's to hold up the fog machine. The fog machine is going to push into those two pipes, and I also have another pipe somewhere. Here it is. Let me grab it real quick. This pipe here is going to plug into that cap, and I have a hole drilled at the bottom. Some of the smoke hopefully is going to drop down into the throat, but I'd say 95% of it's going to go through these tubes and out the nostrils, giving it a really nice effect. And here's a close look at the tongue. I got a steel plate bolted down, and there's another conduit tube that's going to connect right there, going through that hole in the throat, and it's going to work its way down into the main body, where it'll be easy access for fishing that gas pipe in the future. So, like I said, it's a work in progress. Not sure what kind of look we're going to go for. It's kind of created as I go as far as the skin and how I'm going to do those injuries. And I had to put extra reinforcement in here, as you can see, because of these holes. So I crisscrossed with some extra rods on every blowout hole to kind of give it some extra structure. So I just wanted to get everybody up to date where the project is, and hopefully be making another video in the future. Not sure when it's going to be done, but when it is, it's going to be awesome. Thanks for watching.